So this is probably one of my favorite things to do on a print when we're doing something that we design and we want to put some text or design on the part. So this is a back panel for a custom printer we're building, and if you notice, the first layer is done. We're on the second layer, and it's bridging over the gaps here, and what this is going to do is give us a slightly different look when this part's finished, because the layer that goes over the blank spot here is not going to be as smushed into the bed. In addition to that, using a textured plate like these, this is one of our older EasyFlex, but our EasyFlex Pro have the same texture, also further exaggerates this difference. So if you guys want to try this out, all you got to do is put your design one layer inside the design. So this one's 0.25 millimeters into the design, and then when we slice it, the slicer treats this as a bridge, and you can see there's a slight gap between the extrusions, which then makes the design visible when the part's finished. So just figured I want to share this little trick with you guys because it makes putting designs on parts really easy and it comes out really awesome.